What's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is so exciting because I'm moving in to my college apartment. It's my senior year. I actually have one semester left, so this is so insane to me. I'm moving into a different apartment, so I'm gonna bring you guys along with me to go move in. My car is very packed to the brim, so let's head to school. We had to take a pit stop 10 minutes in because we're gonna get some ice cream. My mom is currently getting us the ice cream. This is supposed to be a baby. It's a very big baby. Oh my gosh. Alright, so we just got to the apartment. I'm already sweating. I've done a few trips. This is my room back here. I have stuff in here that I had brought from the end of last year. I brought it over. Starting to bring stuff up now. I'm out of breath. Alright, so I'm working on unpacking. Guys, I'm vlogging. You want to say hi? Hi. Talia. What? Hello. This is Talia's room. This is Lex's room. This is my room. Alright, so we have my desk area. This was like built in, so we decided to put some marble contact paper on it to make it blend in a little bit more. It's built in, but I also wanted to use my desk, so I kind of just shoved it under a little bit. The reason I love this is because I can put my makeup in here. And we're working on the bed right now. It's still a little bit of a mess, but everything's coming along. I still have to decorate all my walls. It's gonna be a planty vibe. We've got lots of plants, so let me give you a little plant collection. Got this plant and this. Apparently they're easy to take care of, and then this fake one. So everything is coming along great. If you guys are enjoying this, if you are, comment that down below. I'm actually gonna see if I can. My plant! What? I just dropped it. Oh. Hello. Alright, well I just dropped my plant. So I just had to saw that hole a little bit so I could fit my cord through. And while I was doing it, I dropped my plant, but we're all good. Just a little bit of dirt on the ground. Alright, so I haven't updated you guys in like a few days. I moved in on Thursday and today's now Sunday. I've completed my room. I kind of failed on like kind of vlogging it, but I'm just gonna give you a quick little show, and then I'm also gonna be doing a room tour on like an in-depth room tour. I just want to give you guys a little preview. Here is my closet. I have hanging things right there, and then I have my lights. That's my jewelry over here, as well as my paddle. Whoops. I have a mirror, and then this is my room. I haven't done this area, and I'm not going to yet, so make sure you guys subscribe so you can see how I do this whole area and a whole in-depth. So this is just a sneak peek. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below and comment that you enjoyed and you want to see my room tour. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.